Water pumps are one of those essential technologies we rarely think about until something goes wrong. But when it comes to reliability, efficiency, and engineering excellence, the right pump can make all the difference. The Leo ECH stainless steel horizontal multi-stage centrifugal water pump is exactly the kind of product that exemplifies this. Designed for single-phase 220 volts operation, models ECHm10 through ECHm1050 provide an excellent balance of durability, performance, and quiet operation. Right away, what sets this series apart is the stainless steel construction. Stainless steel isn't just a premium material for aesthetic appeal, it's highly resistant to corrosion and wear. For devices exposed to water continuously, this is a huge advantage. It ensures longevity, reduces maintenance needs, and keeps performance consistent even under challenging conditions. This choice of material reflects a focus on reliability and real-world usability rather than just superficial design. The ECH series is a lineup of horizontal multi-stage centrifugal pumps. Multi-stage refers to the use of multiple impellers that sequentially increase water pressure. Each stage adds incremental energy to the water, resulting in a smooth, high-pressure flow suitable for a variety of applications. Whether it's domestic water systems, agricultural irrigation, light industrial processes, or HVAC setups, this pump can handle different needs with stability and efficiency. These pumps operate on 220 volts single-phase power, making them compatible with most home and small business electrical setups. Models like the ECHm10 and ECHm1020 are ideal for residential use, while the 10-30, 10-40, and 10-50 can accommodate higher pressure and larger flow requirements. This flexibility ensures users can choose a pump that matches their exact requirements without overpaying for capacity they don't need. Performance-wise, these pumps are designed with precision-balanced impellers and high-quality motors. The copper windings reduce energy loss and heat generation, which not only improves efficiency but also extends the lifespan of the motor. The design ensures maximum water output per watt, which is particularly important for continuous duty applications. Over time, these energy savings can be substantial, especially in industrial or agricultural settings. Another significant advantage is the pump's quiet operation. Typically, high-pressure pumps are loud due to the movement of water and vibration from impellers. The Leo ECH series addresses this with a well-damped casing and dynamically balanced impellers, resulting in minimal noise and vibration. This makes it suitable for installations where noise is a concern, such as residential areas or office buildings. Maintenance and serviceability have also been thoughtfully addressed. The modular design allows easy access to critical components like the mechanical seal, impellers, and motor assembly. This makes repairs or part replacements quick and straightforward. Coupled with stainless steel construction, the risk of corrosion or component degradation is minimized, ensuring reliable operation over the long term. Modern applications often require smart integration, and the ECH series doesn't disappoint. It can be paired with pressure sensors, flow switches, and automation controllers, allowing it to operate in response to real-time water demand. This capability reduces energy usage, limits wear, and makes it ideal for automated water systems in homes, commercial facilities, or farms. The horizontal orientation simplifies installation and maintenance compared to vertical pumps, which often require precise alignment and can be cumbersome to work with. Additionally, the motor includes thermal protection and high-quality insulation, safeguarding it against overheating or electrical faults. This ensures the pump continues to operate reliably, even in environments with unstable power supply. Real-world performance highlights the capabilities of the series. For example, the ECHm1050 model maintains consistent flow and high pressure over extended distances, making it suitable for multi-story buildings or larger agricultural setups. Smaller models like the ECHm1010 and 10-20 are perfectly optimized for domestic pressure boosting, combining compact design with energy efficiency. The Leo ECH series is built with energy efficiency in mind. Pumps that operate continuously can be expensive if they're not designed to conserve power. By optimizing impeller geometry, motor efficiency, and water flow dynamics, these pumps reduce energy consumption while maintaining high performance. This focus on efficiency makes the series a cost-effective and environmentally responsible choice. Durability is another key aspect. Thermal overload protection prevents motor burnout, and stainless steel construction ensures long-term corrosion resistance. These features contribute to low maintenance needs and minimal downtime. For homeowners, commercial operators,